Have you ever worked on a digital product and felt like the journey from an idea to a complete design was just endless? You open up your design tool, stare at a blank page, and start building screen by screen, login, dashboard, profile, all from scratch. That's something almost every design team experiences. It's not just time consuming, it's frustrating. But imagine if you could skip all those repetitive steps, if you could go from a raw idea to a ready-to-use interactive design in just a few minutes. That's exactly what Sketchflow does. It is an all-in-one AI-powered design platform that can take your written description or even just a rough idea and instantly transform it into a complete, multi-page project. And here's the best part. It doesn't just generate screens. Sketchflow automatically builds your user journey map, connects all your pages together, and gives you a fully interactive demo you can explore immediately. Everything happens inside one smooth, logical end-to-end workflow. So in this video, we're going to take a closer look at how Sketchflow AI actually works, step by step, and why it might completely change the way you design and build digital products. Let's start with one core question. How does Sketchflow actually work? When you create a new project, Sketchflow gives you two main options. You can build it by description or generate it from an image. For now, we'll focus on the first method, which is ideal when you are starting completely from scratch. All you have to do is describe your idea in plain, natural language, no technical formatting required. For this demo, let's create a project called Grow Hub. It is a platform for plant enthusiasts where users can track their plant care routines, discover new gardening tips, and connect with others who share the same passion. Here is what the prompt looks like. A mobile-friendly web app for plant lovers called Grow Hub. It includes features for tracking watering schedules, learning plant care tips, and sharing experiences with other users. Once you hit generate, Sketchflow immediately starts to interpret your description and construct a full workflow map, laying the foundation for your entire product. Think of it as a visual representation of the user journey, showing how every screen connects to the next. You can instantly see all the key pages along with the logical paths users will take as they move through your application. What's really impressive here is that this isn't just a random cluster of screens. Sketchflow organizes everything into a clean, structured flow that actually makes sense. By getting this structure right from the very beginning, you eliminate so many of the issues that usually appear later. Inconsistent layouts, confusing user paths, or endless revisions to fix broken navigation. Once you're happy with the map, you simply click Generate Interfaces. Then you're asked to select the theme. There are a couple of different designs, and you can choose your favorite one. I'll go with this dark theme. And this is where things get impressive. In just seconds, Sketchflow builds every page of your project, automatically styled, visually consistent, and ready to explore. First, let's generate the images for all pages. To do that, we'll press this button here. And as you can see, the images are now generated. Let's open a few examples. The login page, the dashboard. Notice how everything follows the same design language, same typography, spacing, and layout rhythm. You didn't have to design a single pixel, yet it looks like a designer spent days polishing it. Now, of course, once you have your base design, you'll probably want to tweak it. And that's where Sketchflow's editing tools shine. You get two different editing options, depending on how you like to work. The first one is AI command editing. This is the fast, natural language way. Just tell the AI what you want to change. For example, make the button yellow. Sketchflow instantly applies the change, and the button is yellow. But if you prefer full manual control, you can use the advanced editor. Here you can drag elements and manually change the content. Or you can click the design section and tweak things like spacing, adjust colors, change the font family or font size, or refine alignments pixel by pixel. It feels like a professional design tool but built on top of your AI-generated layout. These two tools together give you the best of both worlds, speed and precision. Once your screens are ready, you can click Preview. And just like that, you're navigating a live interactive prototype. No plugins, no exporting, no manual wiring between pages. You can click buttons, interact with elements, and experience your app as if it were already built. It is perfect for user testing, presentations, or showing clients a working version before writing a single line of code. Now, when your design is complete, you can easily export your project as clean HTML code ready for developers or in sketch format for further refinement. If you're working in a team, sharing is seamless. You can invite teammates and assign permissions all inside Sketchflow. Now let's step back and talk about what really sets Sketchflow apart from other AI design tools. The first reason is complete multi-page generation. Most design tools, even AI-assisted ones, generate one page at a time. You type a new prompt for every screen and you still end up with inconsistent designs. Sketchflow changes that. You describe your idea once and it creates the entire project, end to end, in one consistent style. That's a huge time saver and keeps your design perfectly aligned across all pages. The second reason is project level user journey mapping. This one's big. While other tools create isolated screens, Sketchflow starts by building a full-fledged user journey map, giving you a clear, connected structure from the start. You're not designing random pages, you're designing a logical system that reflects how real users will interact with your product. Together, these two features redefine how digital products are built: faster, more consistent, and way more intelligent. So if you're a designer, a product manager, an entrepreneur, or part of a startup team, Sketchflow is one of those tools that can genuinely speed up your workflow. It takes you from an idea to a structure to a real interactive prototype all in one place. You no longer need to jump between multiple apps or wait days to visualize your concept. Sketchflow helps you get there instantly with logic, design, and interaction all built in. So go ahead, try Sketchflow today. I'll leave the link in the description and see how fast your next project can go from idea to interface. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me what you'd build with Sketchflow. I'll see you in the next video.